to give like a real natural tease for the second day of ZarZarGalore's favorite things. So you got two favorite things from me. You got Nadula hair, one of my favorite companies to work with. I just obsessed with them. And perfect oil, perfect blend hair oil from PS. It's natural. I love this oil. And one of hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me for the second day of ZarZarGalore's favorite freaking things. Okay, we are in here. I'm super excited for the second day. The first day we did a makeup tutorial. It's my first one, so we got through it though. Okay, and this is day 2, and what we're focusing on today is natural hair textures, natural hair, how we're taking care of our natural hair as well, you know, and protective styles. Okay, so I will be giving away today. I use a product. It's created and curated by a family, husband and wife. It's a black owned business. Okay, this is a perfect blend hair oil. I will not only be sending you this, I will be sending you the butter, the shampoo and conditioner, and a wood comb, because I really am on a healthy hair journey and I want to take you guys with me too. So this perfect blend hair oil, let me tell y'all something. This is bomb. And I also want to kind of like put some pictures in here of them as well, because I want you guys to see their healthy hair journey. When I mean, these are young black women, and she's raising black girls and they have hair down their back. That's what we aspire for in 2022. Drinking water, minding our business, and natural flowing, free-flowing hair. Okay, so today, make sure you watch the video. The secret word will pop up, okay? You bust down in the comments. Put the word in the comments if you want to enter this drawing, this raffle for PS It's Natural, okay, products for your hair, the perfect blend hair oil. It is absolutely positively fantastic, and I want you guys to get into it, okay? And I want to share that with one of you all. So again, we are pulling all the raffles and drawings on Friday. Well, is it Friday? On New Year's Day, I'll put out a video and it'll give you guys everybody who won and everything like that. So it'll be really cool. So I'm saying all that to say, let's get into this wig. Okay, so I am back with Nadula hair. Look at the Christmas packaging though, guys. How beautiful is that? So I'm really excited about this one. Again, this is a Kinky, 24-inch Kinky curly Vpart wig. Okay, now you know they doing the V parts. They not playing. I hope this is the V. Can you guys see that? Let me back up. Let me come a little bit closer. There you go. That's the V part. So you see how I have that little netting at the top? Okay, instead of like just track, that's where they're trying to get that, like, you know, real seamless look from it. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. Y'all told me I had to get my braids to be a little bit older, and now I'm gonna try it out with my braids being a little bit older. Okay, so this has clips. Come on, 2021, 2022. We are here for the clips. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 clips at the top. 2, okay, combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. Say what? Kind of forever, okay? And she's 24 inches. Again, she's going currently for just under $280 on Nadula.com. Okay, so check them out. So with this beautiful packaging that Nadula has kind of upgraded for their Christmas party edition, we received some wig caps, okay? We'll use one today, and I won't. I'm not going to use one. I'm going to put these in our storage. Also received this bag. Okay, I love getting a bag of goodies. It has a scarf, some lashes, and some hair clips, because these babies, y'all can send this to me from now until the end of time. I love these. I love these. Okay, so I'm going to go on ahead. Also, oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I'm so stinking obsessed with this Nadula. So this is really, be confident, be bold, be you, ho. Don't judge me, y'all. I'm going through something today. And I just had a ginger ale, so they might have something to do with it. Okay? And a little wig bag, which is, these are clutch. Okay? So I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to oil my hair because it is super dry right now. I'm walking around in my Coolio braids. So what happened is I had faux locks and I just left the braids in, y'all. And I said, I'm not taking these braids out until the end of the damn year. Okay, because I really am in a space where when you don't mess with your hair as much, guys, it grows a lot better. So that's where I'm at on my natural hair journey. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but it's been working for me, if I'm being honest. So I'm just going on through, okay, and oiling this on up, because I just like, this stuff really freaking works though, guys. And I use this PS blend hair oil. I use the butter. They have a butter PS blend butter, okay? And I use that like a grease. But then this, I use like a hot oil treatment most of the time. So, especially because we're in a new climate. So we've been a lot drier. Both of our hair has been experiencing that. So, you know, just a different, when you have a change like that, you want to make sure you keep up with your change in hair products as well, because, you know, you want to make sure that you're treating your hair properly. So let me find. Now the whole said this gonna be easy, cause you just gotta make sure your braids are, you know, y'all had all this stuff to say when I did it before, cause I was like, I like my U-parts to look a certain way. If I'm wearing a U-part, it's gotta look like it's coming up out the scalp. Period. Like that's just, I just don't. What else is? And this is a V-part. And y'all telling me, oh, this net and stuff. Oh no, if you do it right. So we're gonna try it out. I'm trying to think how I'm gonna do this. Let me just throw it on and then we'll see. Uh-oh. I think it's gonna work, y'all. Wait a minute. I think it's gonna work. I just don't like when the fucking track be showing. Like, who is that for? Okay, so this is her straight out the pack. I already know, y'all. Y'all don't have to say it. Sexual chocolate. I can see what she giving. And it's not, I look like Lord Fuqua. What, is that his name? What the hell is his name from, Let me just, got a little bit of hair out. So I just want to go on through, and I kind of want to like comb right out here at the top. Cause y'all saying I don't gotta have no leave out. And I hear y'all. I hear what y'all saying. I think I almost got it, y'all. But I'm trying to think. All right, let me shut my mouth, get this together, and I'm gonna see you on the other side. Figured it out, guys. I really do. First of all, I'm obsessed. I didn't think I would like this. I'm gonna be honest. When it first came out and it was looking very sexual chocolate, I wasn't here for that. That's my truth, okay? but it's supposed to give like, you know, like natural curly hair. It's shedding a bit. Can you guys see that? Yeah, there you go. It's shedding a bit, which I'm not in love with. However, what the key to the V part is getting as close to your actual part as possible. So we let our braids get a little bit older, right? This is a fantastic option for a protective style. I'm keeping it 100. Like, it really is. Like, I'm really glad with this technology, actually, and I'm glad I took my time. Like, well, not even took my time, but I just researched to get a better idea about how we could do this without, because I'm not taking any hair out, because they told me I didn't have to, so I'm not doing it. Okay. And the key is to get as close to that part as possible. Okay. I prefer wearing my hair out. Period. I'm not going to do that today because y'all bitched at me when I did that the last time. So I'm just going to rock out the way she is. I love the curl of this unit because it doesn't require me to adjust my curls. Okay. And that, to me, I'm thankful for. Like, I'm not in the mood to be going through and giving y'all all baby hairs and stuff like that. Like, you don't have to with this unit. It's meant for your natural luster, your natural curl, everything. And I think that makes it like such a better, like, it's a vibe. What you guys think of this unit? Like, let me know. Okay, again, oh, let me bring her down a bit. Again, mother is going for about $280. Okay, I just can't with this. This is what I don't like that. Oh, I don't like it. Where are my scissors? If y'all ever want to send me a gift and you're on the East Coast, one of my favorite things, one of my favorite foods is hers motherfucking chips. My sister sent me like $180 worth of chips. Would y'all know I ate them all already? Every single last bag. And my favorite one is sour cream and onion, child. It's the best sour cream and onion ever made. It's not a bag of chips. I done tried Lay's. I done tried Oops or Uts. I done tried Y's. I done tried all of them. And they don't hold a flame. Not a candle. Okay? This is what we're working with. What do you guys think? Is she giving natural? I wanted to give like a real natural tease for the second day of ZarZarGalore's favorite things. So you got two favorite things from me. You got Nadula Hair, one of my favorite companies to work with. I just obsessed with them. And Perfect Oil, Perfect Blend Hair Oil from PS. It's natural. I love this oil. And one of you lucky viewers will be not only receiving this, you'll be receiving the butter, the shampoo, the conditioner, and a comb, okay? Because I'm good. Y'all need a whole bundle. Y'all need a bundle so y'all can get into this, right? So I did what y'all told me to do. And this is what we got. So tell me what y'all think. I'm kind of into this. I'm not gonna lie. I know you see a little bit of these flyaways on the side and everything like that, but other than that, I really do think this is a beautiful unit. She's big, she's sexy. I'm really into this one. I think this V-part thing is a real thing, especially if you are a girl who is doing protective styles right now, okay? Like, that's a really big deal. We love a good protective style, child. And I think that this is really one that's going to make sure that you don't mess up your edges or anything else like that either. So I ain't got nothing else for y'all. I done did enough. I did my part, okay? So y'all must down. Let me know what you think of this, guys. She's big, she's sexy. No, we did not wet her because she's supposed to give kinky curly. Ooh, bitch. Ooh. Ooh! I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Make sure you've got that secret word, okay, that was in the video. Bust down, write that word in the comments to be entered in the raffle for the PS Perfect Blend Hair Oil Shampoo Conditioner Bundle, okay? I'm sending out a whole gift pack to you guys so you could try this one out just like me because it's one of my favorite things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bust down. Stay tuned for tomorrow's favorite things. It'll be something different. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.